What if I told you that you can build serious strength right at home? No gym membership, no equipment, no excuses. In this video, I'm breaking down the most effective bodyweight exercises to help you get stronger, leaner, and more athletic. And trust me, the final exercise is a total hidden gem that almost nobody knows about. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with chair dips. This simple move targets your triceps, the muscles on the back of your upper arms that help you extend your elbows. Strong triceps make everyday pushing movements easier, whether you're opening a door or lifting something overhead. Chair dips also work your front shoulders and chest, contributing to solid upper body strength. To do them right, place your hands on a sturdy chair. Slide your feet forward, lower yourself until your elbows hit a 90-degree angle, then press back up. For more of a challenge, prop your feet up or place some weight on your lap. Next up, squats. This exercise is the foundation of lower body strength. Squats train the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your calves, all the muscles you rely on when you walk, run, jump, and climb stairs. They also fire up your core to keep your spine stable. Studies even suggest that compound moves like squats can boost testosterone and growth hormone, which support muscle growth and fat loss. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, sink down by pushing your hips back. Stop when your thighs hit parallel, then drive back up through your heels. Now let's move to a classic, push-ups. These are phenomenal for building upper body strength, hitting your chest, triceps, and shoulders all at once while your core and glutes work to keep your body steady. Research shows push-ups can rival the bench press for muscle development when you progressively increase difficulty. You can switch up hand placement diamond, wide, narrow to challenge different muscle groups. Start in a plank, lower your chest toward the floor with your elbows at about 45 degrees, then push all the way back up. Here's a quick trivia break. The world record for most non-stop push-ups is 1,057, set in 1980 by Minoru Yoshida from Japan. That's Goku-level endurance. Moving on to burpees. These are a full-body powerhouse that builds strength, cardio endurance, and explosiveness all at once. Burpees work your legs, core, chest, and arms, and they burn calories like crazy. They've even been shown to boost VO2 max more effectively than steady-state cardio like jogging. The move combines a squat, a plank, a push-up, and a jump. To make them easier, step back instead of jumping. To make them harder, add a tuck jump. Now let's strengthen your core with planks. Planks train your deep core muscles, improve posture, protect your spine, and enhance athletic performance. They also work your shoulders, chest, and lower back because your whole body has to stabilize. Research shows that isometric exercises like planks increase core endurance, which helps prevent back pain. Get onto your forearms and toes, keep your body in a straight line, brace your core, and hold. Want a tougher version? Try side planks, reverse planks, or plank to push-up transitions. Another quick fact, the longest plank ever held is a staggering 9 hours, 38 minutes, and 47 seconds, set in 2023 by Joseph Zalek. My ABS hurt just thinking about it. Time for lunges. Lunges train one leg at a time, which helps you correct imbalances, improve balance, and strengthen stabilizing muscles around your hips and knees. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but they actually activate over 40 muscles throughout your lower body, including some with names straight out of a spelling bee like the sartorius and tibialis posterior. Step forward, lower into two 90-degree angles, keep your front knee aligned with your ankle, and push back up. Let's fire up the pace with mountain climbers. These combine core training with cardio to improve agility, endurance, and coordination. They engage your ABS, obliques, hip flexors, and shoulders while keeping your heart rate high. Start in a plank and quickly alternate driving your knees toward your chest. Slow it down for a core-focused version or speed it up for a HIIT-style burn. Now it's time for the secret weapon and exercise most people have never even heard of: floor towel pull-ups. They mimic the pulling motion of a pull-up without requiring a bar. All you need is a towel and a smooth surface. This move targets your lats, rhomboids, and biceps, helping balance out all those pushing exercises. Plus, it builds grip strength, which is crucial for athletic performance. Lay a towel on the floor, grab both ends, and pull your body forward while keeping your core tight, then return slowly. As promised, here's a simple but powerful weekly routine you can follow to build strength and muscle at home. Day 1. Upper body push-ups. 3 sets of 12 to 15 chair dips. 3 sets of 8 to 12 floor towel pull-ups. 3 sets of 10 to 12 planks. 3 sets of 35 to 50 seconds. Day 2. Lower body squats. 3 sets of 15 to 20 lunges. 3 sets of 10 to 12 each leg burpees. 3 sets of 8 to 10 mountain climbers. 3 sets of 25 to 35 seconds. Day 3. Full body burpees. For sets of 10 to 12 push-ups. For sets of 8 to 10 squats. For sets of 12 to 15 planks. For sets of 30 to 40 seconds mountain climbers. For sets of 20 seconds. Day 4. Active recovery, light stretching, walking, or mobility work. This routine is perfect if you have zero equipment. And if you ever grab a pair of dumbbells and want to upgrade your training, I've got another video that breaks down the best dumbbell workouts for fast muscle growth. Drop a comment with your favorite exercise, and don't forget to hit like.